Hello dear students and welcome to mathematics session. Today we are going to study about profit and loss. We buy a things from a shopkeeper. That means shopkeeper sells the things to the customer. And these things he bought directly from a company or from big shops. The price at which an item is purchased by the shopkeeper or by a customer is called as the cost price of that item, which can also be denoted as CP. And the cost at which the shopkeeper sells the item to the customer is known as selling price, which can also be denoted as SP. SP is equal to CP? No, it won't be. Because when a shopkeeper buys something from the company, he adds on some money to it before selling it to the customer. He increased the amount and sell it to the customer so that he can have a profit. That means he bought the things at 885 rupees, suppose, and sell it at 1040 rupees. So, he got an extra amount of 155 rupees, which is nothing but an extra money which he is going to keep for himself. And this extra money is known as profit, which a shopkeeper earns. So, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. The price at which it sells subtracted by the price at which it is bought. Now suppose a shopkeeper again buys a particular thing from a company. That will be the cost price for him. And that particular thing got damaged. So he won't be able to sell that to the customer. So in this case, he has a loss because he did not able to get the extra amount. Moreover, his own amount is also lost. So this is loss. Let us take an example. Suppose Amar buy a scenery for rupees 50 and sell it for rupees 55. So his cost price is 50 and selling price is rupees 55. Whereas Leena bought a thing, cost price is 40 and selling price is 45. So we know the formula of profit is selling price minus cost price. So in the case of Amar, it is 55 minus 50, which is equals to rupees 5. In case of Leena, it will be 45 minus 40, which is equal to again rupees 5. So, both are having the same profit. The profit is same for Amar also and for Leena also. Here, the CP is different and the SPs are also different, but they are getting the same profit. So, profit can be same no matter CP and SP are different. Now, if I want to take out that how much percent of profit he has gained, that I am going to calculate by knowing what is profit percentage. The amount of profit Amar or Leena gets divided by the cost price in which they bought something multiplied by 100 will give us the profit percentage. Now, let us see in the case of Amar, profit percentage, we will substitute the value. As we have calculated profit as rupees 5 and he bought the scenery at the price of 50 multiplied by 100. So, here what I am going to do is, I am going to calculate. So, I am going to cancel by this, 5 ones is 5. So, I am getting my answer as 10%. So, Amar made 10% profit on the cost price. Now, let us calculate for Leena. Over here, the profit percent is 5 upon 40 into 100. So, Lena made a profit of 12.5%. No matter their profits were same, but the profit percent of Amar was lesser than the profit percent of Lena. Because Lena got 12.5% and Amar made 10%. So, Lena made more profit. So, by calculating the profit percent, we actually find out who is getting more profit. Now, let us see. Here, the cost price of the scenery is 50. Amar bought it in 50 and sell it in rupees 42. So, here he is buying for more money and selling it for lesser amount. That means he will own a loss. Loss will be cost price minus selling price. So, it is 50 minus 42 which will give me rupees 8. So, here when CP is greater than the SP, Amar is having a loss. Now, let us calculate his loss percentage. Loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100. Let us substitute the values. So, here I will have, remember, profit or loss is always obtained on cost price. So, 8 upon 50 into 100 will give me 16% as a loss. So, Amar has faced a loss of 16%. Now, let us do it similar case for Lena, where she bought it for 40 and sell it for rupees 32. This time she got a loss of rupees 8. Substituting the values, Lena got a loss percent of 20. So, here her loss percent is greater, which is 20%, more than Amar's, which was 16%. So, Lena faced more loss as compared to Amar. So, this way children, we calculate the profit, loss and profit and loss percentage. To calculate the profit, the formula is SP minus CP. To calculate the loss, the formula is CP minus SP. And always remember, the profit or loss percentage is always calculated on cost price. In the case of profit percent, it is profit upon CP into 100, and in the case of loss percent, it is loss upon CP into 100. I hope you understood, children. We are going to study this further in our live classes. Thank you so very much.